Hello viewers and welcome. My name is Arne, and in this Shopify tutorial I'm going to show you how to add the best shipping app on the market so you can start using FedEx, DHL or any other shipping service that you want. If you have any questions, please leave the questions in the comment section below. Enjoy. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is add an app that helps us connect us to our shipping partners as UPS, DHL, Postnord, or any other shipping partner out there that you need to start sending your products. So to find this app, we go to apps in our Shopify admin panel, go to all recommended apps, and down here you're gonna find Shopify App Store. Click on it, and it's gonna take us to the store. Here you could just press DHL, enter, and voila. Here's all the options you have when it comes to only DHL right now. And this is actually why I'm doing this video, because so many of my viewers are asking which app is the best, which one should I use, because there are too many of them. And it's a bit complicated to find the right one if you haven't tried. So that's why I'm doing this video. I've tried a couple of them and I wasn't satisfied with a bunch of them. So the app I'm gonna recommend for you that I've tried and I'm really happy with is this one, PH Multi-Carrier Shipping Label. Press on it and then you're gonna come to this side. Here you can see that they have all the shipping partners available to most of the countries around the world. While you're in this app, take a good look at it. You can see for the reviews for yourself. If you don't trust me, I bet you trust me. But if you don't, just check out the reviews for yourself. A lot of customers are really happy. There's a downside with the app, but all the good apps in Shopify are not free. You're probably gonna pay around $5 to $15 a month for a good app. Same thing with this one. But you could try it for free, 14 days free trial. You wanna try it, I have a link in the description. Try it out. Don't stress about it. Try it, see if you can make it work. You're gonna make it work, I promise you. If you don't make it work, leave a comment in the description. I'm gonna help you, so sort it out. But start with 14 days free trial, then go for the $9 a month. If you have more than 100 orders a month, good job to you, well done, then $29 a month won't be any problem. Get up here, push the install button, and let it work. Back, put install. Select a plan, the smallest plan in this case. Approve. You're probably gonna not get this bit as I did, because if you don't have insert a payment card, they're gonna ask it for it. But in this case, I'm just gonna press approve and then go to the next part. Voila, and we are in. And the absolute best part with this app, there are many apps out there you could choose about, but the absolute best part with this one that I recommend, that I really like, and why I recommend it, is because of the service. Straight away, from the minute you enter your information and download the app, the plugin developer, Plugin Hive, are gonna contact you and they're gonna ask you to book a meeting. The meeting is only for 10 to 20 minutes and it's a startup meeting, so they're gonna help you install everything. And this is why I recommend the app, because a lot of us have a lot of problems installing it, starting it and testing so everything works. And that's why I like with this app. The service is absolutely amazing. And here you can see Mr. Sibi with a great stash wants you to book a schedule, only 10 to 20 minutes and you're on. If we go back to the store, if you don't want to book a meeting and you want to do it for yourself, click on start, and here you have a bunch of different shipping logistic partners. For example, DHL Express or UPS. While clicking on them, they're gonna want you to either log in to the UPS account, or if we go back, if you go take Postnord, for example, if you're gonna send in the Scandinavian countries, they want you to insert a party ID key, a ID number. So while you're doing all of this and while you're installing the app, you have to make sure that you have an account on the shipping partners that you want to use. So I'm gonna put these links down on the description if you want to see them. If you're going to use DHL, you have to become a partner, get every information you need from them so you can have the identification number. Postnord, same wise, if you're gonna send to the Scandinavian countries, and FedEx, the same thing there. You have to have an account on every shipping partner, because the app itself, every app actually, is going to ask you for the identification number or the login code so you can connect the app with the shipping partner. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, please leave the question in the comments. I'm happy to help if there's anything you need to ask. But the main reason why I recommend this app is because of the support, the service. From the minute you download it, they're gonna help you. So it's worth every penny. Thank you guys, take care and have a good day. Bye.